And let's get on with the big story of the day. The United States is set to probe if Pakistan used US-built F-16 jets to down an Indian jet, which is potentially in violation of US agreements with Pakistan. India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval spoke to his American counterpart John Bolton and discussed the situation between India and Pakistan. Meanwhile, sources also stated that the American defense attaché in New Delhi have been shown the evidence of Pakistan using the F-16s provided to it for counter-terrorism operations to in fact go ahead and attack India. India showed them the parts of American AMRAAM air-to-air missiles which only the F-16s can carry. Remember, just a day after the airstrike, India had exposed Pakistan lies in the Tri-Services briefing of the forces.
Pakistan also stated that no F-16s were used in the operation and no Pakistani plane was downed by Indian Air Force. There is enough evidence to show that F-16s were used in this mission through the electronic signatures, and thereafter Pakistan is trying to hide this fact. Also, parts of AMRAAM air-to-air missile, which is carried only on the Pakistan F-16s, was recovered east of Rajouri within the Indian territory. Therefore, the fact remains that one F-16 of PAF was shot down by IF MiG-21 Bison.
However, Pakistan continues to remain in denial, saying that they never used F-16 for the operation. Let's listen in.
उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान का एक F-16 उन्होंने भी गिराया है। पहली बात तो ये कि पाकिस्तान ने इस तमाम जो एक्शन था उसमें F-16 इस्तेमाल नहीं किया और ऐसी कोई खबर नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान का कोई जहाज गिरा हो।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.